Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So your minute is over now. We need to continue, okay? We are still speaking about scientists and what do scientists do. So that's what we are speaking about. Scientists. Are you a scientist? Are you a scientist? Yes or no? Do you have questions? Because scientists have questions. Can you answer some of the questions? Huh? Why do you think we have the sun? That's a scientific question. Why do we have the moon? Who can tell me? Why does the sun look so small? Why does the sun look so small? When you look at the sun, it's very small. But Riley told us that the sun is bigger than the earth. It's very big. But when we look at the sun, it looks so small. Why? So scientists always have questions. If the earth is round, why? Why? So these are the questions that scientists have. But before scientists have questions, what do they do? Scientists observe. Everyone say observe. Scientists observe. Scientists observe. When you observe, or when scientists observe, they study something. They study something. Okay? They study something because they want to know about that thing. You look at something, you ask yourself, why is Teacher Daniel's color darker than mine? Why? Why does Teacher Daniel have a curly hair and I have a straight hair? So scientists observe, they study something because they want to know. Just like you, don't you want to know things? That's why you come to school, okay? That's why you have this class, because you want to know. You want to study something. You want to know. Scientists want to know. Why do snakes bite people? Why don't snakes eat vegetable? Why do you yourself, why do you eat plants and animals? Why doesn't a lion doesn't eat meat, it doesn't eat plants. Why? So scientists observe, they look at something, they look at what do things do. How does an animal behave? What does an animal do? Why do fishes stay in the water? Why? So scientists have all these questions and they try to help us to know. So they study so that we can know things. And after that, what do you do with the information that you know? When you study something, scientists also use that information to do what? Scientists predicts. Scientists observe and they do what? They predict. Scientists predict. Who can tell me what is to predict? If I say predict something for me, what are you going to say? What does predict mean? What do you do when you predict? So when scientists predict, they tell us, okay? Tell what will happen. What will happen next? Okay? So scientists tell what is going to happen next. If I run, what's going to happen? I'm going to get tired. So that's what scientists do. They predict. I run. They look at me running, and they know that, okay, after Teacher Daniel runs, he's going to get tired because he is running. So scientists observe and they are able to predict after that. Tell me what is going to happen next. So that's what scientists do. I'm giving you 1 second. Write that on your book or in your book. Quickly because of time. Quickly because we don't have time. Write this. Scientists observe and scientists predict. Quickly because of time. Let's write. Scientists do what? Scientists observe and scientists predict. So they want to know what will happen next. Okay? So if I'm running, again, I'm running. You know that after some time, Teacher Daniel is tired. So scientists can tell. That's what scientists do. They look at something and then they tell us what's going to happen next. If I throw this thing up, if I take this and I throw it up, scientists observe. They will look at how far it's going and can Teacher Daniel catch it? What will happen if he doesn't catch it? What if Teacher Daniel falls? So scientists tell us what is going to happen next. They predict. Say it again. Predict. Observe. Predict. Observe. That's what scientists do. They look at something, they study it, they want to know it, and then they tell us what will happen next. Tell me, if I eat tofu, I eat, what do you eat, guys? Tell me, what do you eat? What do you eat? Very good. Bubble tea, tofu, meat, yes, meat. Someone says pig. You can't eat pig. You eat pork. Very good. So what will happen when I eat a lot of food? What do you think will happen? Tell me. Predict what will happen. When I eat a lot of food, yes. Very good. I am going to get full. I'm not going to get hungry anymore. If I drink a lot of water, what's going to happen? I will not be thirsty anymore. Very good. And what else? What else can we predict? If I don't study, what's going to happen? Tell me. Very good. Again, I want you to tell me quickly because of time. If I don't wash my hands, if I don't wear my mask, wash my hands, sanitize, use alcohol, what is going to happen? What is going to happen to Taiwan if I don't wash my hands? Tell me. Huh? Yes, the cases of COVID are going to go high. So scientists can tell us what will happen next. Because if we want to stop something, we must study it and know. So scientists can tell us, oh, it's not good for us to go to school because we need to do what? social distance so that we can stop COVID. So what will happen next is that after these 14 days we are home, we can stop COVID from spreading. So that's what scientists. It's nice to be a scientist. You can see, you know, you study something, you know it, and then you can be able to tell what will happen next. Okay? Very good. So that's what scientists do. They observe and they can tell us what will happen next. Also, when you observe, you can be able to tell the danger. Okay? Scientists can tell when we are in danger. Okay? Scientists can tell us when we are in danger. Scientists can tell us when we are in danger because they study something. When we are in danger, it means when we are not safe. To be in danger is to be not safe. When we are not safe. So scientists will tell us, today there's going to be a typhoon, or tomorrow there's going to be a typhoon. Please don't go out. Stay in your house, okay? So that you can be safe. So scientists can tell when we are in danger or when we are not safe. So scientists observe, they predict, and then they tell us tomorrow there's going to be a lot of rain. Please don't come out. Stay in your house. There's going to be a storm. Stay in your house. Okay? So that's what scientists do. They observe and predict. If a fish does not feel safe, it will swim away. Hello, hi. Hello, hi. Another example. If you are walking on the street and a dog chases you, what are you going to do? If you feel danger, you are not safe, there's a dog that is coming for you, what are you going to do? You are going to run away. So your instincts help you when you are in danger. Because if a dog chases you, you can tell us what will happen next if the dog catches you, so you can be able to run away, so that the dog does not harm you. 1 second to write this, the last two. There, quickly because of time. 1 second, okay? 1 second.